What up guys, the boy Brother Smooth back again with another reaction video, man. Falling. Roll the intro, please. Back and we live, man. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Origas. Dang!
I keep on falling.
She is brave.
And not allowed with you. Sometimes I love you. Sometimes you make me blue.
I feel it. I feel it.
Sometimes I feel good. At times I feel used. Loving you, darling.
She's killing it.
Makes me so confused. I keep on falling in love of love with you. I never loved someone way that I love you. I never felt this way. How do you give me so much pleasure? Causing me so much pain. Just when I think I've taken more than I would have fooled, I start falling back in love with you. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone way that I love you. Oh baby, I'm falling.
My favorite part.
I'm
Hey. Dang. That was beautiful, man. I'm not gonna say much. That was amazing. Beautiful performance. I like she added her own vibe to it, her own feeling. Very nice. That was too good, man. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one, man. Rosie, Smooth,
way that I love you. Oh baby, I